In this video, I will show you how to create round objects in Blender using only the Extrude modifier. First of all, delete your cube, and then you need to click 1 on numpad, or you can go in the top right corner and you can click -y or y, it doesn't matter. Then you go Shift A and go Image, add reference image, and find empty jar. Now we need to add a cube, so we press Shift A, go Mesh, go Cube. Then we need to go in Edit mode by pressing Tab on keyboard and press M so we can merge our vertices at center. Then we need to press G on keyboard so we can grab our vertice and put it at the bottom of our jar and left click to place it. Now we are going to extrude our vertices by pressing E on keyboard and just pull your mouse. Like this. Again, click E. Like this. And we're going just to make it simple. And right now I accidentally made a mistake, and the problem is that I made 2 vertices here. So you can do that by pressing E. Somehow you messed up. And how can you fix this? Go in top right corner and you can see these 2 circles. Left click and click statistics. And now you can see I have 5 vertices. So if you count it, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one is up here. So how can we fix that? We can just select one vertex and press A to select all. Then you need to click M and click by distance and make sure to check this unselected. And you see, removed 1 vertex. So now we have 4 vertices and we have 4 here. And now we need to bevel our vertices to make our object look more realistic. So how can we do that? Is by pressing on one vertex and pressing Ctrl Shift and B. And you see, if I pull mouse up, I have two bevels. If I scroll up, I add more bevels. So if I scroll more and more, you see. So the ideal is 3, and just place it, and you can move it. Again, move down, Ctrl Shift P. Again, I can, and now I need here my bevels. So how can we do that? Is by pressing Ctrl R to add loop cut. Now I can pull one here and another one. So I can put it here. Again, one to put it here, and again one to put it here. So we are pretty much done, but we need to add modifier to make our object look more better. So to add modifier, we need to go right corner and click on this French and click add modifier, click search and type mirror. So I will hide this image so you can see better. I need to connect these 2 vertices because my object is going to look very bad. So for example, I will turn this off for now and just add Extrude modifier that is used only for round objects. So as you can see, my object is looking kinda bad. So how to fix this? I click on normals and click calculate order. Now it looks better. It's not good, but it looks better. But if I go at top, you can see there is a hole. So how to fix hole? We go click 1 on numpad. We turn this off. Again, we go modify, click mirror. And we need to make sure to turn on clipping. So our vertices stay in the middle. And I just pull left. And now it's in middle. Also make sure that your vertices are really straight because when we do Extrude modifier, this is going to be a problem if it's not straight. And also we can do this down, and that's it. Also now is the great time to save your project by clicking Ctrl Alt and S so you don't lose any progress. This is a mistake when most people do when they first time using mirror modifier. So you need to keep in mind that mirror modifier is good for everything except round objects. And for round objects, the best modifier is screw modifier. And what is the problem here? So if I want to center this, I can center it like this and just fill it so I can see this is connected. I can just like push it here. Now it's in center, probably. Or even I can do this and I can clip it. Now, if I add screw modifier and just move it to be a top, to be first, and click normals, click calculate order, you see my object is good. But as you can see, they are triangles. What is the problem here? The problem here is I connected these two vertices and now I have a hole that you can see, but this is a hole. You can see it by if I go in object mode and click control and press 1 or 2. That is modifier subdivision. And as you can see, there is literally a hole. So don't connect these two vertices if you're doing screw modifier. If you're not doing screw modifier and if you're doing only mirror, you can connect this too. And now you can see my jar is not good looking. So we need to go in X-ray mode by clicking Alt and Z, and we need to pull this up by pressing G. And I think we need to select this and to pull it more right and left a little bit to make it look more realistic. And if we turn off our X-ray, yeah, our jar is more better. So now we need to create our top side. So we need to do that by pressing Shift and A and make sure to be in object mode. Shift A, add mesh, cube, click tab to go in edit mode, click M to merge and click center and pull your vertex at the top. And now I just extrude it by press E on keyboard, like this, add modifier, click mirror, enable clipping, and then just click on this side, click G and move it. We need to move it right, and click this down and move it left or right. You need to be in middle. And now you can remove this. Now we need to bevel it, pull it inside, click Ctrl Shift B, bevel it. You can loop cut here, pull it inside, bevel it. And our object is pretty much done. So now we can hide our image. Now we're gonna need to add mirror modifier to be sure that this is centered, and press this and this, press this and enable clipping, press this and this, and just move it to be straight, this, and just, you can remove it and just go screw modifier, click normals, calculate order, and now you're pretty much done. You can enable your jar bottom, as you can see. Also turn off your X-ray. This jar looks a little bigger, so I think I can scale it a little bit like this. And also go in edit mode, and I will make sure to this side to be more inside. I need to change it a little bit like this, and just click on this top side, click Control and 1, Control and 2 to subdivide it, and your jar is pretty much done. And now we need to parent our object. To do that, you need to hold Shift and press top side and bottom side, and click Control and P, and click Object Keep Transform. So if I want to move this, you see it's moving by itself, but if I click this, it's moving everything. So the last object you clicked is parent. So basically that's it. That's how you make an object. But the problem is that I have so many edges, faces, and triangles. And to minimize that, you select your object, again add modifier, and click search and type decimate, and you can pull it down to, as you can see, when I pull it down it looks more like this. So make sure to be at 0.3 to 4, like this. That's it for this video, and also if you have some tips to give me, you can type in comments, because I'm still a learner and this is basic object modeling. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.